Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave analysis. So today I want to update on Bitcoin, right? I'll bring back the previous analysis which I did 4 days ago, right, on Bitcoin, where I mentioned that we should be in a wave three down, right? And the stop loss was 115. Okay, so since then, what happened, right? I believe it was around here, right? That I was talking about the short. Okay, so stop loss is 115. Okay, so it never breached, and I'm here with the updated wave count, right? Okay, let me just change this degree first. Okay, so this should be a minor degree, right? And then we have this correction here, which is a mini double combination. Okay, so there's a few noteworthy things over here. Okay, now let me just talk about this wave down first, right? So in the previous video, I also mentioned that this should be a cycle wave 5 ending itself, or wave 1 of cycle 5. Okay, that means this entire wave here. Okay, but my preferred count is a cycle wave 5, right? So and that's how I set up the trade to be. Right, so over here you see that this I have already gone through in my previous video, right? So um just for anyone who is new here, right? So this is a wave rundown. Okay, so this is wave rundown, right? And also mention that this is a wave 2, right? So this is corrective, right? And this is as I mentioned also, this is due to Powell dovish speech, right? Dovish speech. Okay, so this is the Friday one. So this is wave 1. Sorry, wave 1 should be here, right? It's a irregular wave 2. Okay, so and then over here, I believe this is another wave 1 of a lower degree down. So this is actually so previously I mentioned that we are in the wave 3 down. So this is that wave 3 that I have verbally explained, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But I did not label it because it's not completed. Okay, so now that this is completed, right? So this is part of wave 3. So this is a wave 1 of 3. Okay, so over here, let me just label this. So this is considered wave 1 of 3. Okay, and then over here we have a wave 2 of 3. Okay, I will make this okay, so this is blue color. So in order to make it clearer, I'll just put this as blue also. Okay, and over here, wave 1 of 3, let me make it smaller. Okay, and given that this is green, I'll put it in as a green first. So similar for this, green and slightly smaller font. Okay, so if you see this, let me remove this irrelevant stuff. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is wave 1 of 3 down, right? And over here you see I have A B C A B C A B C, right? So this purple one. So this mini double combination from our wave 2. And one interesting thing to note is that the end of wave 2 here, right, is actually quite near to the previous wave 4, right? So for those of you who know Elliott Wave, you know that this is kind of like the ideal situation, right? It will stop around the end of wave 4. So this is ideal. So um previously I mentioned that the stop is at 115, right? So this is still a good stop, right? But you can slightly adjust it down right now. So if let's say you are going to initiate a position now, your stop will be here, right? So this will be above this and also above this wave 4. Now, why do you still need to set a stop? It's because that, if I'm wrong, there could be a chance of a triple combination, right? Triple combination means that we are expecting another ABC up, right? So if that's the case, that there's a chance that it may stop here or even go even higher. Now, one thing about wave two, right, is that it could retrace all the way up to um, the start of wave one, right? But it can never exceed. So this is the invalidation point for this idea. Okay, so let me just put in this note here. Right, so over here, if so this will be what I call the invalidation price. Invalidation price. Okay, for this entire idea. Okay, so at the very least, it's not a wave. It's no longer a wave five here. It could be a wave one, and then we are in the wave two, right? But as of now, the wave structure itself support that this ending is a end of cycle wave five, right? And then this is wave one, wave two, wave one of three, wave two of three, and then wave three of three. Now the target itself did not change. Okay, it's just that I want to update on the wave count here. So it will still be expecting the wave, waiting for it to come down here, right? And that means to retrace the entire move here, right? So this is kind of like a minimum target, and longer term we are still expecting that it will go to 74,400. Okay, so this is for this idea, right? Now let me put in this arrow. So over here and then here. So this is a Bitcoin, right? So for the updated Elliott Wave count, right? Let me move back down to this hourly so that you can take a look at this wave count again and study it properly. Okay, so that's it for now, and good luck. Thank you.